Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy a dresser using artificial reality. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Planner 5D app. Then when you first time open it, I'm going to show you where you are going to land. So this is the landing page, the home page. And from here, you just have to tap on the tools section, which is in the middle of the screen. And at the tools section, you will have to find the furniture try-on, which is the first icon here. And then you have to scan your room with your iPhone or iPad. And then tap on the plus icon to choose the furniture item that you would like to purchase. Now tap on the storage units, and the dressers is going to be the third option. And you can choose a dresser style from this list. There are a huge selection of different dressers. Let's choose this one. And when you found the one that you would like to try, you just have to find the place where you would like to place your dresser. Let's say here, right in front of the window. And by tapping on the check mark, it's going to place it. Wow, that's a huge dresser. I was expecting a smaller one. So when you place your object inside your room, you can walk around it to see how it looks. You can check out the texture. You can look inside. You can see the size. You can walk back to see if it really fits your room or not, which is a really nice thing before investing in a new piece of furniture. You can also tap on it and move it around if you want to place it in a different place. You can also do that. As you can see, I just moved here closer so I can see the back as well. I can look under it, as you can see. And you can also edit it, so you can customize it to your style by tapping on it, tapping on this settings menu, and you can also choose a different material. There are hundreds and hundreds of different materials, and also inside the material you can change the color. So yeah, the sky is the limit in customization. You can choose a metallic finish. You can also set pictures as texture, which is kind of crazy. You can choose roof textures and anything really. So the sky is the limit in customization. And when you have designed the best dresser for yourself, you just have to tap on the check mark again and place it back in your room to enjoy. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.